Artificial intelligence is not only limited to ChatGPT and other tools to generate text, images, or even video. In recent months, we have seen a boom in really promising AI-based utilities for improving productivity. Webs and apps dominate, but Google Chrome extensions offer alternative ways to utilize AI tools. The best extensions for Chrome based on artificial intelligence. ChatGPT for Google. This is one of the most popular extensions currently on the Chrome Web Store. When you do a search on Google, in addition to the standard search engine results, Google displays ChatGPT's response for that same query on the side. If you want to combine the best of both worlds, ChatGPT and Google, with this extension you can get the full experience. The tool is compatible with all popular search engines and offers support for all versions of ChatGPT. AIPRM for ChatGPT. This Chrome extension gives ChatGPT superpowers. What we find here is a series of templates to get better responses from ChatGPT, with predefined models for topics such as SEO, marketing, software engineering, or copywriting. If you are still not sure how to exploit the potential of ChatGPT, with this utility you will see that the OpenAI application now shows many more simplified options for each use need. AIPRM also has templates created by the community, so the possibilities are almost endless. ChatGPT for Chrome. Another AI-based Chrome extension that's been on the rise lately is ChatGPT for Chrome. For one, it works the same as ChatGPT for Google, by adding the ChatGPT response to our Google searches. However, it has another feature that is just as interesting or more, which adds a ChatGPT pop-up in Chrome so that we can query the AI much more conveniently. YouTube video summary with ChatGPT. Incredible extension for Chrome that uses the artificial intelligence of ChatGPT to perform automatic transcriptions of any video uploaded to YouTube. The transcription process is almost instantaneous, and you can copy all the text to the clipboard by pressing a simple button. In addition to that, the extension has a summary button or summary that collects the entire transcript and sends it to ChatGPT so that it can summarize the video in a few lines of text. If you want to increase your productivity when working with YouTube, you should definitely take a look at this tool. Merlin AI. Merlin is an extension for Chrome that uses AI for different functions. It's basically a tool that includes all the utilities we've mentioned so far in a single extension for Chrome. We can make summaries, ask it to indicate the keywords, reply a tweet, or anything else related to the text of any web page. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.